Hi students, let's have a quick review of today exam paper CA Inter Cost and Management Accounting September 19th 2024. Overall review, what I can say, paper is moderative, not easy. Some questions are very lengthy, so paper is moderative. Some students are saying, sir, paper tough, sir. No, paper is moderative. I can say that must be a lack of practice. One thing, most of the questions are covered in Masterminds material. Let's start. Don't waste the time. This is part 1 MCQ paper. First question, case scenario basis. Here paragraph discussion, then details, unit price of raw material, trade discount, total duties, insurance charges, units purchased, opening inventory, closing inventory. Next, usage per week, delivery paid. So this question related to material chapter. So here calculate minimum stock level. Next, danger level. Danger level means lead time for emergency purchase into average consumption per day. Next, inventory turnover ratio in days. ITR in days equal to number of days in a year divided by ITR in times. That is the ITR in days. Next, calculate the cost of abnormal loss. That amount has been written off and then transferred to costing P&L account. Next, calculate the unit price. So this is very simple question, easily answer. Next, EOQ calculation, sir. Square root of 2 AO by C. Apply the values. Here ordering cost per order directly given. Carrying cost is 10% per annum per unit. Here unit price also mentioned 20 rupees. Therefore, C equal to 2 rupees. C equal to 2 rupees. Next question, 7th question. This is employee cost. Here R value is missing, normal hourly wage rate. So calculate the normal hourly wage rate as per given details. So here 2 workers details are given. Frame the equations, solve the equations, then we get hourly wage rate. So same question covered in Masterminds material. Next, 8th one. This is the labor turnover rate under separation method, that equal to number of separations during this period divided by average number of workers. So separations means workers left and discharged. Here directly given 30 workers resigned and 5 workers were discharged. Next, number of workers employed in a factory on 1st April 150. So calculate the labor turnover rate by separation method, apply the values in the formula, then easily get the answer. Next, a chemical is passed through 3 stages, namely process 1, process 2, process 3. Okay, so this is the process costing, sir. So you are required to calculate the profit. Okay, you are required to calculate the per unit cost of output unit in process 1. That means average unit cost in process 1 equal to input cost minus realizable value of normal loss divided by input in units minus normal loss in units. Then answer, we'll get the answer, sir. Next, this is marginal costing, PV ratio. So 10 questions easily answered, sir. First 10 questions very easy. Next, case scenario, second question. This is chapter chapter name process costing. Read the paragraph. So here valuation under FIFO method, work in progress valuation under FIFO method. So first question, equivalent units of labor and overheads and total cost per unit. So statement of equivalent production under FIFO method. First one, opening work in progress, current period work completion considered. Next, units introduced and completed. Next, normal loss. Next, abnormal loss or abnormal gain. Then easily calculate the equivalent units in the section of labor, equivalent units in the section of overheads, and also calculate the cost per unit. Next, value of abnormal loss to be shown in the process account. So that is the cost of abnormal loss. First, we have to calculate the unit price. Next, quantity of abnormal loss into unit price will get cost of abnormal loss. Next, value of units transferred to next process, that is output transferred to next process into unit price, then we get the value of units transferred to next process. Value of closing work in progress units, material component, labor component, overheads component, units into percentage of work completion into unit rate, then we will get material cost, labor units into percentage of work completion into rate, we will get labor rate, labor cost. Next, overheads, add them, then we get the value of closing work in progress. Next, the equivalent units of material and material cost per unit, sir. So 15 marks over, sir. Up to 15 marks, very easy, sir. Question paper part 2, sir. So here 6 questions. Question number 1, which is compulsory, and any 4 out of the remaining 5 questions. This is the first question, sir. This question related to service costing. So sector, educational institution sector, sir. So details given. Calculate the total cost per batch. Determine the minimum fees per student in a batch to cover cost if the batch is fully occupied. Calculate the fees to be charged from each student if batch is 80% filled and institute aims to achieve a profit margin of 25% on the fee. So same problem, sir, covered in our material category 4. So this is the educational institution sector, service sector, educational institution, sir. So simple question, 3 bits, sir. So usually you can get 5 marks. Second question B. This question related to cost accounting systems, reconciliation. So here one thing observed, sir, net profit as per financial accounts given. So please start with net profit as per financial books. Questioner is asking calculate net profit as per cost books through reconciliation statement. So collect the pure financial expenses and non-cost related expenses are appearing in financial books. Therefore, financial books profits decreases. So treatment you should add. Next, non-operating incomes are appearing only in financial books. Therefore, financial books profits increase. Treatment deduct. Next, nostal items, sir. Nostal items not recorded in financial books. Ultimately, financial books profits increase, sir. So deduct. Next, under or over absorption of overhead, sir. So simple problem, you can easily do it, sir. You will get 5 marks. So very simple question. Next, 1C 4 marks, sir. This is marginal costing. So here variable cost per unit details given. Next, fixed cost details given. Price structure details given. Next, present production capacity, production volume 60,000 units. So this is decision making question, sir. whether the offer should be accepted or not. So decision making questions, sir, easily can do it, sir. So this is the 4 marks. So first question, easily do it, sir. 5 plus 5 plus 4, 14 marks. Next, second question. This question related to cost sheet, sir. In our material, factory cost per unit given at different activity levels, but in this question, prime cost per unit given at different activity levels. So don't expect copy paste style of problem, sir, in the professional exam. So here a little bit change. So prime cost per unit is given at different activity levels. In our material, factory cost per unit is given at different activity levels. That is the difference. Remaining problem is same, but here 2 paragraphs are added. So these paragraphs very important. So arithmetical calculations very important. So this is the time taking problem. This is the lengthy problem, sir, 2A problem. So these 4 points already covered in our material, sir. So just 2 additional paragraphs given, sir. So this is the lengthy problem. Calculations are very time taking. So this is the cost sheet problem, sir. 2A. Next, 2B. As this question related to employee cost controlling. This is the direct question. Just numbers change. Just the numbers change. So here treatment of overtime premium. Overtime premium cases or circumstances, 4 circumstances. Here question is asking 4 circumstances where overtime is worked at the request of the customer, where overtime is worked regularly as a policy due to labor shortage, where overtime is worked irregularly to meet the requirement of production, where overtime is worked irregularly to meet the requirement of production, where overtime is worked due to natural calamities. Treatment simple. Same question covered in our material, sir. This is the simple question 2B. 2A lengthy question, sir. Next, third question. This is the ABC costing, activity based costing, sir. So same problem already discussed in classroom. So first bit, calculate the cost of each product under traditional absorption costing system. So calculate the rate and calculate the absorbed overhead cost by using the rate. Next, calculate the cost of each product. Second question, cost of product P and Q based on ABC costing system. So first, calculate the cost driver rate. Next, allocate the overhead cost by using the cost driver rates. Next, determine the cost of each product under ABC system. So this is the simple question, but arithmetical calculations carefully, sir. So this is also time taken, but this problem already covered in our masterminds material, sir. Same problem already discussed in classroom. This is the ABC costing. Next, 3B. This is the budgetary control, sir. Here 80% activity level details are given. At 80% activity level, cost details are given. That means variable cost per unit given and total amount of fixed costs are given. Next, price structure also given. So first we have to prepare the budget at 80% activity level, then convert the 60% and also convert the 100%. Here 2 important points. One point, in variable nature per unit remains constant. Note this point. In fixed nature total amount remains constant. So please remember these 2 characteristics. Then usually you can do it, sir. Then easily you can do it this problem. So this is 6 marks problem, sir. So third question, easily you can do it, sir. 8 plus 6, 14. But only in second question, part A question, lengthy question, that is cost sheet. Next, fourth question, sir. This is standard costing chapter. Here, company uses 2 raw material items. Company uses 2 categories of workers, skilled workers and semi-skilled workers. 2 material items are used, material A and material B. So calculate the material variances and calculate the labor variances. In material segment, no adjustments, but in labor segment, one adjustment is there. That is 5% of the time paid was lost due to abnormal reason. So definitely you can find the cost of abnormal idle time variance. So here paid hours not equal to working hours. First to frame the table, sir. SH, SR, SH into SR, AH, AR, AH into AR, AH into SR. Next AWH, AWH into SR. Then easily calculate labor cost variance, labor rate variance, labor efficiency variance, labor idle time variance. Okay. Next BOT scheme, sir. BOT scheme. This scheme is an option for the government, sir. BOT scheme is an option for the government. To do the public projects sanctioned to the private sector, sir. So build, operate and transfer, and classify the following expenses in capital cost or operating and maintenance cost for toll roads. Here land acquisition is nothing but capital cost, sir. Suppose toll collection expenses nothing but operating and maintenance cost. So easily can do it, sir. So here BOT means BOT is an option for the government to outsourcing the public projects to the private sector. Simple, one dialogue. Next list of expenses. Which one is the capital cost? Which one is the operating and maintenance cost? So easily you can answer this one, sir. So here fourth question, easily you can do it, sir. Next fifth question, 5A. This question related to overhead chapter, that is comprehensive mission rate. So this is lengthy question. So in total overall paper, two questions are very lengthy. One is 2A and another one is 5A. Except these two remaining paper easy. So this is the overhead chapter, sir. Comprehensive mission rate. Here calculation part, arithmetical calculations. So please do the carefully, sir. So here adjustments also given. So this is lengthy problem, time taking problem. So this is the comprehensive mission rate. Next B, 5B, sir. This question related to marginal costing. This question related to marginal costing, sir. So here company produces two products, namely baby rose, baby lily. So here questioner is asking, prepare a detailed statement showing the overall contribution. Overall contribution means calculate the product wise contribution and add them, we get the total contribution. So how to calculate contribution, sir? First revenue less variable cost, we get the contribution, and profit of the company after acceptance of the dealer's proposal. So how to calculate profit, sir? Simple. First we have to calculate contribution, deduct the fixed expenses, we get the profit, sir. So this question easily do it, sir. You can easily do it, sir. This one, this is marginal costing chapter. So in fifth question, 5A is lengthy problem, tough calculations, time taking. Okay. 5B, easily you can do it, sir. Next, sixth question, theory question. For this paper, theory question, that is the hot question. This is very easy question. Some students saying, sir, easy way, theory question very easy, sir. Yes, exactly. Theory question is very easily. Easily you can do the answer compared to 2A and compared to 5A. So here sixth question, theory question, sir. Describe any 5 benefits of the digital costing system. This question related to introduction to cost and management accounting. This is direct question. It is available in our material. So theory material, sir. Please see the masterminds theory material. So this is a direct question, sir. Easily can do it, sir. Next, define the following terms. B1, B2 related to standard costing, controllable variances, uncontrollable variances. Next, B3, B4, B5, that is the budgetary control. So, these also straight questions, sir. These also straight 3 questions, sir. These questions available in our material, sir. Next, CBIT, discuss the treatment of byproduct in cost accounting. This is also direct question. This question related to joint and byproducts. Joint and byproducts, sir. Next, here one option, sir, either C, first one or second one. Define job costing and explain difference between job and batch costing. Job costing means different customers, different specifications. No two works are same. Under this circumstance, cost ascertaining program is called as job costing. In batch costing, sir, where all costs are charged to a group of orders, that is called batch costing. In job costing examples, printing press, ad agency. In batch costing, pharmaceutical industry, toy making industry, best examples. So, easily answer, sir. So, this is the theory question, sir. So, easy question, sir. So, overall conclusion, paper is moderate, sir, not tough. This is moderate paper. Only 2 questions, sir, 2A and 5A. Except these 2 remaining paper, easily you can do the answer, sir. So, this is the costing paper, sir. Okay, right. Thank you.